Welcome everyone. So yes, a lot of people did not understand how to solve these kind of sums. So first, very important thing, let's understand what is 4 and then exclamation mark. So whenever you have a number followed by an exclamation mark, we take it as what factorial of that number. So now what does the factorial mean? Factorial means nothing but it is a product of consecutive numbers but in decreasing order. Okay, and unless you reach up to 1. So basically 4 is nothing but what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So answer comes out to be 4 into 3 is what? It is 12 into 2, that gets you 24. Okay, so here this comes out to be 24. Now let's look at your LHS. So now please understand, a raised to x or a raised to x plus y can be written as what? A raised to x into a raised to y. So similarly, you have 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 3, that is nothing but what? 8. Now dividing both sides by 8 because we want to find the value of x. So we will try to shift as many numbers on the other side as possible. So now you got 2 raised to x equals to 3. Okay, now after this we can't do much. So what we'll do is we'll apply log on both sides. Log of 2 raised to x equals to log 3. Okay, now remember, there is a rule in log of a raised to m can be written as what? M into log a. Basically the index comes ahead, so this can be written as what? X log 2 equals to log 3. Then in order to find the value of x, you will divide both sides by log 2. Okay, so therefore I can say value of x comes out to be, or rather let's write it over here. Value of x is what? Nothing but log 2 upon log 3, or I can also write this as nothing but what? Log of 3 to the upon log 2, and here this can be written as log of 3 to the base 2. Why like that? Because in logarithm, whenever you have log of a upon log of b, you can also write this as what? Log of a to the base b. Okay, this is a very important rule of logarithm. So don't forget, because there are times where in entrances they give you this as an option. Okay, if this is your option, you have to mark that. Otherwise, if they have given you the values or they have given you the log table, then that value comes out to be 1.584. Okay, so either ways you should have been able to get your answer. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.